In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia led to the year without a summer in Europe and North America. Crops failed and food shortages spread. But in Switzerland, a group of writers, including Mary Shelley, gathered to escape the cold. Amidst the gloom, Shelley penned Frankenstein, inspired by the eerie atmosphere. Who knew a volcanic eruption could birth a literary monster? This event not only changed literature, but also highlighted nature's unpredictable power. The eruption's impact on climate and culture remains a testament to the interconnectedness of our world.